Hello and welcome. So today I'm going to show you, this is a new vehicle from Knaus, at least it's new at the time I'm doing it. Live Wave 650 MEG Black Selection. So it's quite honest, it looks a lot colour blue. Or maybe it's just the light, maybe it is black. Let's see if the rest of it's black inside. Well, the carpet seems to be, but that could be because it's dirty. This thing here will cost 81,000 euros and it is 694 centimeters in length, 232 in width, and it's claiming it weighs 3,098, giving you 402 kilos of payload. Notice there's a nasty step up there, and well, you'd expect steps up to the bed, so I don't have a problem with that. It does seem quite high though, which is something I personally do appreciate. It's got a bit of space wasted up there. I suppose you could use it for keeping things like pillows and things. Maybe if you have spare pillows. Don't know, people carry spare pillows in the motorhome, or could be covers or something of that nature. Storage along the back, you've got a ledge underneath it. I think the ledge is a waste of time, but there have been people who said that they have a hearing aid, so well, fair enough. We've got this large bed, we've got an infill for the bed, and the infill will go on this thing here, and that'll give you a really large bed should you want a large bed, something like that. There you go, looks like that now. Under here we'll have a look under the bed. In fact, I'll put this thing here to one side and push that back in, and under the bed here we'll find we've got this. It's a wardrobe. Of course, you can't open it via the door should you so want. And on the other side, we'll find we've also got one of these, and there's also a door for it as well. We've got the washroom in here. Sorry, I forgot to turn the lights on as I came in, but you can see it anyway. There's the shower, and if I open this, you'll find access to a bench toilet. Bench toilet is a much better idea, and if you want this not to come forward, you can close that there like that. Notice it's got some bumpy things on the floor, and it's got two drainage points, so that's good. And it's also got a sensible sliding door, which is brilliant. This is the fridge here. It's got a freezer compartment, and just to point out, bang, there's the light switch, so maybe most of the lights are on. Under here we'll find we've got this drawer, we've got 3 burners here, we've got a sink, and we've got a large table with a leg, which I think is a pretty good idea, because Knaus have this easy entry table, which fortunately this one isn't, and I think the easy entry table can't take much weight on it. You've got space up there for a television, and this thing here is a bed which will drop down. It's a drop down bed. There's a ladder for it somewhere. It's probably in the back. So standing up here, actually I've got to say I can't actually stand up on this step here, step up, and there's a bed under here. So that's a bad point in my opinion. If you want to see, oh, I didn't hear, just a minute, sorry, that was my fault. Oh no, they were on. Let's go out. This is your garage, nice big lot of space in there. 150 kilos of weight will go in here, and if I come around here we'll find we've also got space there for 2 gas cylinders. Easy access to the gas cylinders. That's a pretty good thing in my opinion. There you go, it says Live Wave Black Selection on there, and in here we've got easy access to the water tank, and there's also, actually, this is one thing which I think is pretty good, and it's just Knaus has had it for years, it's only just being copied now, is you can thread your cable through here, and there's your electrical point, and that is a little bit more inconvenient, but it stops the electrical cable being stolen. I haven't had my electrical cable stolen, but I mean, hey, there's always a first time, isn't there? Under here we've got access also to the water tank. The fact you can actually clean the sensors is a very useful feature. The sensors need cleaning to give you accurate amounts of water in there. Sometimes it might say there's no water when it's full, and that's because of a dirty sensor, and vice versa. No, not really vice versa, because it would mean it was clean, wasn't it? But I could say that it's full when it's empty because of the dirty sensor. Anyway, there you go. Oh, sorry, I said 80,000, didn't I? And it says there AB 80,000, and AB means from. So what's the real price of this? Oh dear, I don't like doing that. I gave you something which was incorrect. Oh no, it wasn't all that incorrect. Sorry, 81,000. So as it turned out, I didn't make too much of a mistake. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found that interesting. Have a look at the description. There's more information about it in there. And also, while I've got your attention, maybe I could also mention we've got an app called Campovolo, MANUL, and that'll give you troubleshooting app to problems that happen in the habitation area. And you also may be interested to know that I have a channel membership which will give you access to hundreds of members only videos, as well as access to me should you require it. For the moment, all the best. Bye for now.